Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So as you guys can more or less tell by the title, I feel like this is my intro all the time. I'm going to be doing this really pretty subtle sort of Valentine's Day makeup look. It's nothing too crazy. I wanted to keep the skin more or less fairly natural and keep the eyes and the lips fairly toned down, because I mean this is perfect if you are going to go on a first date or whatever you're doing on Valentine's Day, girl. Wing it. Do you, boo. So I'm going to prime with my Kiki Beauty Face Primer and my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and then I'm going in with my black Opal Stick Foundation, and I'm just going to apply this onto my face. You guys, my skin has just been going through the most recently. Like, I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to fix my skin. It's a work in progress. So that is why I went in with two primers, and I'm actually going to go in with a second layer of the black Opal Stick Foundation to just create a more flawless base. For concealer, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Peach, and you guys, I really apologize for my voice. I've been sneezing all morning. I really hope I'm not getting sick. But yeah, with this concealer, I'm just going to be highlighting under my eyes, in the center of my forehead, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And if you guys would like a dedicated nose contour video, then please comment down below. And obviously let me know and I will get it done, because you know, your girl does not have an Amrezy nose, okay? Have you guys seen Amra's nose? I mean, it is snatched. That is goals in life. Anyway, I'm just going to go in with my trusty Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge and just blend that all out. And then I'm going in with my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder and just baking all the areas that I've highlighted. Now, I was meant to do this after I cream contoured, but I completely forgot. But anyway, for cream contour, I'm going in with my LA Gold Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. This is definitely one of my favorite shades to contour. It's just like the perfect amount of warmth, I feel like, in a bronzer, or a contour color rather. And yeah, I'm just contouring my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my jawline, and just taking a little bit of product on my jawline as well. And then blending that all out with my Switch Beauty G31 contour brush, which blends everything out like a dream. And then I'm going back in and just baking my under eye area, because I am going in with a palette for the first time. This is the first time using the For the Queens palette. I didn't want to take a chance because there may have been fallout, so that is why I am going back in and just baking. And then using the star of the show, which is the For the Queens Fit for a Queen palette. This palette is beautiful, and I'm going to take the lightest shade in this palette and just highlight my brow bone. Oh my god, you guys, this palette is so pigmented, it's ridiculous. Then taking the second transition shade in the palette, and I'm going to be dusting that into my crease, and also I'm going to be taking that on my lower lash line. Then going in with this orange shade, and I'm just gonna put that kind of lower down than the first transition shade and dust that all the way from inner corner to outer corner of my eye, not forgetting the lower lash line, because it's really important that you cover your lower lash line, guys. Then going in with this dark brown shade, and this is more of like a very warm tone brown, which I actually really like. And I'm just gonna be dusting that into my crease, all the way from inner corner to outer corner of the eye, making sure it's blending really well. And yeah, also taking it on my lower lash line. You guys can see this brown is super pigmented, it's ridiculous. Now for the lid, I'm going in with this beautiful gold shade. I'm not wetting my brush or anything of that sort. I'm just going to be packing this color onto my lid, making sure it kind of fades into that brown color. And this is honestly and truly such a beautiful gold. You can amplify it by wetting the brush, but I actually really wanted to go for a more subtle sort of wearable look. And then for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Felt Tip Liner. And usually I'd go in with my Inglot Gel Liner in the number 77, but that is really pitch black. And I wanted the eyes to sort of be a little softer. So if you guys feel like black is too harsh on your eyes, then you can by all means go in with a dark brown liner, because that would still look really nice and really sultry on the eyes. And yeah, then I'm going in with mascara on my top and bottom lashes. The Lash Renegade mascara is beautiful. It separates your lashes amazingly, doesn't clump them. It's a winner in my books. Next, I'm going in with the Line Spring Wispy Plus lashes. Now, I've been wearing so much of dramatic lashes recently that when I applied this, I was like, okay, this is looking like I'm not wearing any lashes. But these lashes are so pretty for a first date, or, you know, wherever you may be going on Valentine's Day, you know. So I'm going ahead and I'm just dusting off the bake very delicately, because I had a little bit of fallout from the eyeshadow. And then I'm taking a cream blush. This is by Avon, and I'm just lightly packing this onto my cheeks because I have a lot of texture on my cheeks. I didn't want to be swiping a powder blush over my texture, if that makes sense. Then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Precious Petals highlighter. This is such a beautiful highlighter, you guys. Do not sleep on the Wet n Wild products. They are coming out with some really bomb products, and I am living. So I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin. You guys know the usual places. Also, you know, just highlight your collarbone, your shoulder bone, make it look like you're glistening, like you took all your vitamins, you know what I'm saying? And then for bronzer, I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster to just set all my contoured areas into place. Now, this step is completely optional, but I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Powder in the shade Golden Tan, and I'm just using this to kind of set my foundation into place. Because it is a cream foundation, I want to make sure that it is properly set, because creams can tend to move around a lot more. And I'm also taking this down my neck. Now, this powder is extremely skin-like, so it's obviously going to make your skin look less powdery, if that makes sense. And then going in with my Kiki Beauty Cool Citrus Setting Spray. This setting spray is just amazing, guys. Do not sleep on it. It is the bomb.com. Now for lips, I'm going to be going in with my Smudge Lip Liner in the shade CHOC Purple. You can go in with more of a warm tone lip liner. I just wanted to keep the lips very flirty, very pinky, nudie. And then taking my Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick in the shade Tantalizing Taupe, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. And then to add that glossy kind of flirty vibe, I'm using my Revlon HD lip lacquer in the shade Pink Diamond. And then I'm going to be turning my pimple into a beauty spot. And that is pretty much it for this look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day, every day, with and without makeup. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!